Where is your tail?
Oh, there.
That's your tail? Hmm.
Her picture of your tail, Mama.
I see your tail.
Her picture, her tail.
Yeah, I got your tail.
I'll turn around.
Oh, you want me to see that way?
Turn. Turn around.
Hey, I want to look at it for a minute, though. Hey, go back over there. Go back over there and do your lion thing. Do your lion thing.
I'll turn around, Mama.
What animal are you?
On my tail. My tail.
Your tail.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
Her picture going round.
Oh, it's my turn to look at it, okay?
Oh, we see.
You see.
We see.
See? See, there's the ceiling. Isn't that cool? The ceiling.
Oh, there. Her picture, get there.
There's nothing interesting over there, though. It's just the house.
Get.
You're the interesting part.
Get thing, Mama.
Let me get the ceiling.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I've gotten the ceiling.
I'll turn around.
Wonderful. Do you see? Hi. What I should do is sit.
Picture me.
Okay, just a second. Ugh.
Let's sit there.
Okay. What animal are you now?
Me, a lion.
You're a lion? What does the lion do?
Me, for a mouth.
What does he put in his mouth? What do lions put in their mouths?
Pummy. A fart, a pummy.
Oh.
A fire pummy.
Fire in the tummy?
See, fire pummy.
Cool. It was so scary until you fart or something.
Picture me.
Okay. Okay. You gonna growl?
Picture about.
You're too fast.
My tail.
Your
I'll
tail?
Turn me. I'll turn me. I'll turn, Mama.
You want me to turn it back? Oops. I'm gonna get your nose.
Oh, turn
I'm
around.
gonna get your nose first.
Turn around, Mama. Up, down, turn, Mama.
Can you say please?
Please.
Can you say thank you?
Up or down? Me down. Down there.
You're down there, yeah. You're upside down.
I'll turn around.
Did you just fart? Yes, you did.
Big fight.
Is it because you had corn for dinner?
Uh-huh. Eat cooked corn.
Here, I haven't. You had cooked corn? Because I'm always filming you. Hi.
Eat the corn. Huh?
What?
Huh?
Huh?
Hmm?
If you put your face close to mine, we can be in it together.
Huh, Peter. I am a Peter.
You know, it's time for your bedtime. Or, that's kind of redundant. It's time for bed.
Me, what's he, Mama? Me see. Me see.
You always look at it, though. There. I can't tell if I'm actually filming you or not, though.
My Peter candles.
Got pictures of candles? But we don't have any candles lit right now. We need to light candles.
Candles.
I don't feel like lighting any candles.
A Peter candles.
Well, we'll do that some other time, this weekend or something.
A Peter candles.
Mm-hmm. What you doing with your leg?